This is your step-by-step installation guide for the PemkoMatic PSLIDE Low-Energy Automatic Sliding Door Operator. Before starting, confirm the door is balanced and all existing locks or soft-close hardware are removed or disabled. Ensure door stops are installed in the desired locations. First, determine the handing of your opening. The PemkoMatic operator is left-handed by default, but can be re-handed if needed by following sections 6.5 and 6.6 in your manual. Choose the correct motor wheel based on the gap between the door and wall. Measure the opening width. If trimming is necessary, loosen and slide components away before cutting the base and cover. Cut the base and cover to opening width -2 inches and brushes to opening width -5 inches. Mount the PemkoMatic operator to the header of the opening, positioning the unit with the brush side edge of the end caps flush with the door side edge. Use at least 6 number 8 fasteners or other appropriate fasteners. If existing holes on the operator aren't usable, drill new ones. Ensure the motor wheel is as close as possible to the door's leading edge. 2 slide tracks are included. Join them using the grooves. Total track length should equal the door width and cut any excess. Mount the flat side of the track to the door surface, aligning the track's edge with the door's edge. As you install fasteners, push the track up tightly to the motor wheel. Use at least 3 fasteners per 20-inch track section. Ensure the door slides smoothly with continuous motor wheel engagement. Carefully plug all cables from the motor and power adapter into the correct ports on the control panel. The unit can be plugged in or hardwired per local codes. Before powering on, ensure door stops are installed in the desired locations. Ensure the power switch is off and dip switch number 1 is off. This is the direction and learn dip switch, and the door is halfway open. Next, power on the unit. If the door opens, power off and set the dip switch number 1 to on. Then power on again and the door should close. With the mode set to auto with a green LED light on the control panel, the unit will begin to program opening width. Next, flip the dip switch number 1 from its current position and immediately back. The door will cycle to learn the limits. Note: do not intervene. Similarly, you can program the hold open width with the mode set to hold open. Once programming is complete, install the cover. Align the groove with end cap tabs. Rotate and clip it to the base. This provides a clean, finished look. Your PemkoMatic slide installation is complete. For installing activators, keypad, push button, mode pad, sign age, and detailed settings, consult your full instruction manual. For additional support, visit PemkoMatic.com.